Hey, it's nature. Yeah. It's go on a hike. Sometimes you need to break away the branches to go on a hike. I'm sorry, Lorax.
Trees breathe. They make oxygen, which is what we breathe. And if we didn't breathe, we would die. And that's a bad thing.
Yes.
I make my stand. I broke Mother Nature. All right, let's move farther through the wilderness. There's a shotgun shell. It is completely unfired too. Well, I had to drop that because there's like a harvest nest of ants in there. So, yeah.
Pick it up. Okay, let's see. Let's look at it.
Look at the shotgun shell in nature. This is plastic. It can suffocate plants. That is not good. I wonder who was doing this illegal activities. Let's keep walking deeper into Mother Nature. Ready for this? Say goodbye to American. Oh. I'm surprised I didn't shoot. All right. Follow me through this thick.
You need to clear out the path so people can walk through it. Humanity is top of existence. Top of the food chain! Hey, look. Nature and Jesus Christ himself gave me a shovel for destroying his creation. Now, excuse me as I destroy more soil. Today we're going to be looking for the one and only worms.
Alright, as you can see, this is pretty hardy soil because it's dark, moldable shape and texture. So what you have to do is you kind of just have to excavate it.
So, new plan. We were over there before, so we're going to take another hike over there. First of all, this tree is going to die one day because pollution. Human extinction will begin in 2030. Okay, let's keep on going. As we walk here, you can obviously see humanity is dooming us all because they're cutting down the trees. The Lorax does not approve. For all these dead leaves make a habitat for bugs like these bugs and wormy boys. So, yeah. Now, according to Wildcrats, this is compost. And worms, they like compost. Can you not save people's lives for 5 seconds? There you go. Okay.
What we need to do is dig here to find some good wormy boys.
Oh, we might find a bit more than that. Oh, look. I saw it. There's a centipede in there.
Oh, whoa. It's right there.
Yeah, there's a centipede in there.
It's Crawly Boy.
Yeah, it's a centipede. So, look. There's not just worms under the earth. There's also centipedes. And centipedes get eaten also by birds and
bigger birds and
even bigger birds and also frogs. Is this a wormy? We found
a worm.
Okay,
yeah.
So this worm gets eaten by birds. And birds use worms to feed their little children. Yeah.
Should we put Wormy Boy in the shovel? Wormy Boy is great for existence. Look at him worming.
Yeah.
I'm a fry cook. Alright, so we're gonna place him back in here and we're gonna scoop up this little centipede boy. Oh, there's a little thing. Look at it. It's so cute.
Oh yeah, it's a little. No, we need to find that centipede back.
It was over here.
But he's probably scared and he probably crawled in. So come back here, you freak. Now, Mr. Nelson, you're gonna seek pleasure from this because I'm going to say it. This is an entire ecosystem down here. We just saw a couple red ants.
Look at it. If we break this, boom, red ants.
Yeah, red ants. There's an entire hive down here. We also just saw an isopod.
Let's dig a little more.
Yeah, let's dig a little bit more.
Where'd I put that worm?
Further down.
Oh,
yeah, we saw the
it's a
centipede
pretty
again.
thick
So
one.
look,
Cinnaboy, Cinnaboy, Cinnaboy. Look at this Cinnaboy.
Now,
Oh,
if you see these things in your house,
run.
they deserve to die. Okay?
Yeah.
Mother Nature might not
Cinnaboy.
like it, but humanity will.
Look at all those worms. Worms.
Now, worms have a bunch of tunnels down there. They're like ants.
Worms.
Well, worms and ants live alike together.
Yes.
It's an ecosystem.
Ecosystems are pretty cool.
Look, we got a baby centipede.
Got a baby boy?
Yeah, and also centipedes dig like ants. They form tunnels too. Yeah.
It's pretty lit. Mm-hmm. All right, those are our producers. Let's go find our primary consumers.
Now these things here, folks, we call them burbs.
Multiple burbs. Oh, so they're scuttling away.
Scuttling in a line.
This
is why I want ducks. They're freaking adorable.
So here, all out in the great wilderness, we have producers. Anything that's trees, or the Lorax likes, or is green, is a producer.
Unless if it's poison ivy, then those things can go burn in the rotting hell they deserve.
Yes.
But, you see that plastic thing over there? That is a duck home. People put those things out for ducks, I think.
Oh!
Also, ponds are also producers because they also produce mosquitoes. Yeah.
So, yeah, this is a habitat. This has goose. This has plants, water. There's a water bug skipping around somewhere. And there's a bunch of other stuff, like the stuff you just saw. And it's cool. And there's rocks, so that bugs can live under them. And this water is where mosquitoes lay their eggs. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna have to go find an eagle. This is all decomposing matter. As you can see, it's turned from like good grass into like this furry stuff, which might just be dead animals. But yeah, look at it. It's like all soft and it's nutritious for other things, but not for us because there's fungus in there and we might die.
Welcome to ESBN Nature Walk. Today I'm going to be doing professional baseball. Nature!
He's exerting CO2 into the air. We are now on the side of a road.
Yeah.
Where we have found our tertiary consumer. Not Jimmy. He's pretty far up there. But if you can just see.
Yep. Shut up, cars. Stop doing your thing.
There's a bald eagle. Right
looks
there.
Like the father.
It looks like the father. Here, I got my whistle.
Do it. Yeah,
got my eagle whistle.
As you can see, this thing is gonna try to kill us if we come close to it, because there's babies in there, and he needs to protect his children. And this specimen of freedom right here.
Oh, it's flying. It's going to fly. It's looking at us.
Uh-oh. Looking for Becky.
It's probably shouldn't go more closer than this. Oh! It took off. It's flying. Oh!
Yeah, that thing is lit.
Look at that eagle. Eagle.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
It probably has the wingspan of like what? 7 feet?
Yeah, pretty big.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming back around.
Pretty sure it's hunting, looking around.
It landed back and now it's sitting there looking for everything.
Yeah. Hey. Man, I feel awesome because that thing is the symbol of America. Freedom. Capitalism. Hey!
Eagle!
You're cool.
You're such a cool bird.
Love you.
America!
Pretty thick.
Wow. So, that eagle is our tertiary consumer. It eats the baby ducklings that eat the worms that eat the composting or grass. It's pretty big. That's a pretty majestic tertiary consumer.
gotta go with ice cream truck.
Alright, so this is an orchard of some kind. But yeah, it's apples. As you can see, there's vines on the ground from all of them decomposing. This is an example of the nitrogen cycle, where nitrogen from the air goes into the soil and it helps bacteria and stuff like grow and helps all of this grow into fertileness. And probably some wood like that, which made my special sword, was made due to the nitrogen cycle. And it's just a good natural fertilizer of everything.
That was cool.
These are some trees created by the nitrogen cycle probably. But even more important for our survival is these. These are already trees. These good ones, the tall ones. They do something known as the oxygen cycle, which is where these trees can they make oxygen, which goes into the atmosphere, which we breathe in. Then we spit out, we breathe out CO2. And that's what they feed off of.
Are you ready, boys? Today we're going to,
That's pretty neat. So, don't copyright. This is the nature, but if you ever have trouble, pollution. If you ever have trouble locating an animal, just take your trusty survival whistle and just.
Pretty sure you just summoned the rain.
Is coming.
You just summoned the rain,
I
Ari.
just summoned the rain. I am causing the water cycle to happen. All of the water in the ground evaporates into those clouds up there. Then they rain. And then and also these trees make clouds too. That's pretty cool. This is nature.
Welcome back to Chef Blair D. Today we're going to be cooking up nature. We're in a bit of seasoning with pollen.
Wait, where'd they go?
Wait, where'd the duck go? Oh, they're over there.
Hello, little duck babies. Look at little duck babies.
This goose just wants to live his freaking life, dude. Yo, he's trying to steal his girl.
He's really trying to yoink this man's. Oh!
Oh, get him! Super cinematic, because look, it's raining now.
Actual greatness. This film is brought to you by Jesus. Dang it! Jesus is getting mad!
At war with Jesus himself.
We're at war with Mother Nature.
Yo, now it's starting to hail a bit, bro.
Bro, it's hailing! It hurts. Ow!
Not even sure if this was on the weather forecast.
Bro, hail! It's legit hail! Bro, ow! Ow! This freaking hurts! Ow!
Yo, now it just stopped.
Jimmy, you got this? Beat that goose.
Yo, look, this dude's gonna push him out of the water. Are they Gucci now?
I don't think they're Gucci.